গত ৩রা ডিসেম্বর কলকাতার ভেদিক ভিলেজ দ্য সেলিব্রাম ২২ বছর উপলক্ষে এক প্রেস কনফারেন্সের অনুষ্ঠান আয়োজন করেন। অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত ছিলেন অনেক বিশিষ্ট ব্যক্তিজন। ভবিষ্যতে আইসিএসআই ছাত্রছাত্রীদের ভর্তির জন্য কিভাবে কি করতে হবে সে সম্পর্কেও বার্তা দিয়েছেন তারা।
Of our profession on the dais. My name is Nagendra Rao. I hail from Bengaluru, Karnataka. I am presently the president of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. On my left is CS Sandeep Kejriwal. He is the elected Central Council member from the Eastern region. On his left is Sudhir Bhantia. He is the chairman of the Eastern India Regional Council. On my right is CS Manish Gupta. He is the chairman of the PCS committee and he is the Central Council member from the NIRC. On his right is Ashish Mohan. He is the secretary of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Institute of Company Secretaries of India is an professional body which has been set up under an Act of Parliament under the Company Secretaries Act of 1980. It is located in New Delhi, headquarters in New Delhi, under an Act of Parliament. We have 4 regional council. The Eastern Regional Council is headed by Sudhir Bhantia. We have Northern Regional Council in Delhi. We have Western India Regional Council in Mumbai. And we have Southern India Regional Council in Chennai. Along with that, we have 72 chapters which develops the profession of company secretaries. So far as Calcutta is concerned, we have our one office, and we are constructing another office which is a center of excellence in New Town, which will be a state-of-art facility for the students, for the members, so that all our various activities, including research activities, which will be undertaken at Center of Excellence. The second National Conference of Practicing Company Secretaries on the theme of Passion for a Profession, Empowering Entrepreneurship and Excellence. In this 2 days conference which is being held today and tomorrow, you have various themes and sub-themes which is going to help all the practicing company secretaries in diversifying themselves, in educating themselves, in honing their skills in various areas, new areas, and venturing into the impossibilities by virtue of which they venture into the new areas. There are various topics like integrating growth, branding, wealth creation. You have dynamic regulatory framework, you have new age digital tool, and profession timings, identifying emerging opportunities. So all those new areas, new opportunities which are available and which are also unknown, how we can dive into this new ocean of various opportunities.
কলকাতার ভেদিক ভিলেজ থেকে শানু দাসের রিপোর্ট, সমাজ বার্তা, মানুষের সাথে, মানুষের পাশে।